Hello, my friends. I just want to tell y'all real quick, thank you so much for watching my little videos. I know they're not much, but they make me happy, and I hope that they make you happy too. And it's just fun. It's just fun to put things together and see what happens, and then share it with other people, and then see what they're doing. And it's wonderful. It's a wonderful thing. All right, let's get started. I'm Janice. I'm with Paul's Dream and Joy. I'm so glad that you're here. We're going to put together a very simple card because simple's good. Detailed is also good, but right now I'm in a simple mood, so simple is good. We're going to adhere the background. I'll have everything that I'm using with links in the description. So if there's something that you like, that you see, and you want to go find out where it is, you should be able to do that. So that's the background. Ta-da! Okay, now I'm going to put these little guys on here. Put this little guy on here, and this dude's going to go somewhere. Something like that. So let's get that going. I'm going to put him like this a little, and then make this one a little wonky. I mean, we're all a little wonky, right? I can hear my husband in the background saying, "Yes, you are." He's not really saying that. It's just something that he would say. Shh, don't tell him I said that. All right, so we're going to put this on next. And it says, hashtag best day ever. Best day ever. So I'm going to put this over here. And this is the last thing. Now, is that a cool chick or what? That is a cool chick. She is going to go right there and brighten up somebody's day. And there you have it. We just put together a whole card. How cool is that? So cute. Look, best day ever. I hope every day is your best day ever. Thank y'all so much for coming by and seeing what I'm up to. If you like what you see and you want to see more, I would absolutely love it if you would hit that subscribe button and ring the little bell and share it with your friends. That would be awesome. Thank you so much. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.